We are a health and safety business, so our purpose is keeping people safe at work. We had a kind of legacy service structure and we just kind of reached the limit of what it was capable of doing.
We found it difficult to really make service and sales sort of unite. So from a front-end seller perspective, it was very difficult to see when a customer was talking to a service agent, and likewise it was very difficult for a service agent to know any interactions with sales.
Ultimately, we were giving customers an inconsistent service. We had 11 call centres around the UK, our processes were inconsistent, our systems were inconsistent, and we're only ever going to get service right if we created one call centre here in Hull. And from then on we were hell-bent on making sure we got the right technologies in place to make that a really sophisticated and digital-first approach to service. So the solution we've implemented here really is putting Cloud for Customer, the service module, in almost as the kind of the core of a suite of service tools. So it links together the Ring Central telephony system and the InContact contact management platform and gives us one single view of the customer from end to end.
So Gowrie implemented Cloud for Service and Cloud for Sales. It was done to a really tight timeline and a relatively fixed budget, and they worked absolutely magnificently within those constraints. They delivered to budget and to time, and we opened when we were meant to with a system which was working exactly as we designed it and as we wanted it to.
What this call centre here does with the technology we've put in from SAP with Gowrie, it allows us to have a world-class call centre here. It goes beyond anything we've ever been able to do before. We started seeing the benefits fairly quickly.
We have saved a significant amount of time, resource and money, everything in centralising our service offering here, so the Cloud for Customer suite was absolutely pivotal to that. I think what sets Gowrie apart from its competitors is the approach that they take during the implementation.
What I love about Gowrie is that they're big enough to scale, but they're small enough to care.
They helped us with their own experiences, with their own ideas, with their own knowledge of the product, to really drill down into what it was that we were requiring. And what we thought we needed actually wasn't necessarily what we did want, and it was only through Gowrie's deeper understanding of the product suite that we found that out.
If we didn't have confidence in partners like Gowrie, we actually probably wouldn't do some of this stuff, and therefore we wouldn't get the benefit from it. Customer service is hugely important to us. The technology we've put in place is absolutely crucial to the future of this business in making sure that customers repeatedly come back to Arco, and the benefit for them is that we believe that they will go home safe at night as a result of working with Arco. You can follow it all the way up the chain and actually say SAP and Gowrie have been a part of making our customers safer places to work.